Hey there, happy Monday to you. Conniefuksa here with Foot Title Group, where we ensure that no one can take away that dream home that you worked so hard to purchase. So hope you had an amazing weekend. It was kind of crazy weather-wise, but still a great weekend. And hope you're settling back in, everything's going well, and you're having a great start to your Monday. So this week we're talking about documents you may come across when you do your closing. And the first thing we're going to talk about this week is powers of attorney. So powers of attorney can be kind of confusing, daunting kind of things, but what it does is actually give someone else the right to act on your behalf. So because that's the case, they can be a little bit scary for those of us who are being asked to use them to do things for you. So when you want to buy a piece of property, or you need someone to make a medical decision for you, or you want to buy a car and you can't do it on your own for whatever reason, then you would give someone else a power of attorney to have the power to act on your behalf. So what's an example of that? So maybe you had to have some type of in and out surgery that you needed someone to be able to make decisions for you when you were having that surgery. Or maybe you had some event come up that you weren't going to be able to be at your closing for whatever reason. Maybe you're on travel for work, or you're couldn't actually come in for the closing. You're moving into town and all of your things wouldn't be here in time. So there's lots of different reasons that you might need a power of attorney. So there are lots of different people that can prepare them for you. And we can actually do that at our office as well if it's in connection with a closing. So we can do a power of attorney for you to make sure everything's taken care of the way you want. When we're being asked to use a power of attorney for a closing, we're going to take it under with a lot of scrutiny. And why is that? Because we want to be really sure that whoever's using your power of attorney really has the right to use that power of attorney, that you really gave them that right. So we're going to ask for a lot of things from you and from them to make sure that those things are all true. So we're going to need some ID from that person. We're going to need some confirmation from you that that really was the case. And we're going to really look at that power of attorney with a lot of scrutiny. The other thing that's really important is we're going to hold on to that power of attorney at closing, because we have to record that with the document that is being recorded to secure either your transfer, which is the deed, which we've talked about before, or the new mortgage. So we're going to need that power of attorney at closing, because we have to send it to the county with your other documents to get them recorded in the land records. So you'll get that power of attorney back once it's recorded, but we're going to have to hold on to it for a little bit of time. So what would happen is we get it recorded, and then we would contact you when it comes back in, and we would call you and see if you wanted to come by and pick up the original after it's been recorded, or if you want us to mail it to you. So we're going to hold on to that. And the other thing that you need to know is if you're getting a new mortgage with a power of attorney, you need to contact the lender and make sure that they understand you're using a power of attorney, because they have some very specific rules, because you are in fact borrowing a whole lot of money, and they want to make sure it's all taken care of. So hope that helped you out a little bit. If you have more questions, you can always contact me or any of our team. You can reach out to us through our website. You can check on our website. There's a lot of information there as well, www.foottitlegroup.com. And as always, Conniefuksa coming to you from Foot Title Group, where we ensure that no one can take away that dream home that you worked so hard to purchase. And remember, you have the right to choose who does your settlement. So we would always hope that you choose Foot Title Group. Hope you have a fantastic day, and get in the know zone with Foot Title Group. Share with your family and friends so you can always get up-to-date information on what to do with your closing and the real estate process. Have a fantastic week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.